today's lesson is we are going to create a Java program using just the Notepad that's coming with Windows operating system. So here what you see is just a folder in my desktop. So rename this as Java test maybe, and I'm gonna open this up and just create a new text document, and I'll give this a name called hello.java. Right, I'm going to say okay, yes, I want to rename this file. There you go. So that's gonna give me a file, and then I'm gonna open this up in Notepad. Right, so here is my Notepad. So I'm gonna write my Java code here. So I'm gonna create a class named hello, and open parenthesis and close parenthesis. So in between I'm gonna create the main method. So that's public static void main and string args, right, and I'm taking the arguments, and then open parenthesis and a close parenthesis. So within this I could basically print out my system out println, right? System dot out dot println, and I'm gonna give the message. So that's hello world. All right, so I'm gonna need to end this line with a semicolon so that it's complete. So what you see here is a complete program with an entry point of a main method in Java, right? So I'm going to save this file again, Control S. All right, so this source code file, it can't run by itself, so we need to do a compilation so that we will create the Java compiler will convert this hello.java file into into bytecode, right? So that will have the extension like hello.class at that point. So what I'm going to do is just click on the address bar, type in cmd and enter. So we will have this folder opened in the command prompt, right? So if I do a dir here, I can see that's hello.java file only. There's only one file here, and to compile the Java source code into bytecode, we use the command javac and hello.java, right? By given this and entering, if you do not see any issue or anything here, an empty line means the code that you wrote was perfect. And as you can see, there's something called hello.class, which is our bytecode, right? Now to run this bytecode, it's a matter of using the command java, and then just give the name part of it except for the dot class, right? So that's basically you're giving hello and entering, right? Yay, as you can see, it's printing out hello world, right? In case you wanted to if you wanted to make some adjustment to this file, just open it up in Notepad, and instead of hello world you can say hello Shiham, right? And then do a save, Control S, You can close this file and then just come here, just press up arrow once, twice. That will give you the previous command that you typed in. Do an enter. Again, it will update this bytecode class. Now if you just run this command, which is java and hello, now you will see the new output, right? So this is how you do code in like a plain text editor like Notepad, and then compiling it manually and then running it on the command prompt, right? So I hope this will be helpful to you, and we'll see in another video. Thank you.